Welcome to Anuverse English.
Hello, my name is Anu. Today I want to share something very simple, but very important, my daily routine. I believe that a good day starts with small, good habits. So, let's begin. I wake up early in the morning. I open my eyes and smile softly. I feel thankful for a new day. First, I make my bed. A clean bed gives me a fresh mind. Then, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I look in the mirror and say to myself, "Today will be a good day." After that, I drink a glass of warm water. It helps my body wake up slowly. Next, I do light stretching and a few deep breaths. It makes me feel calm and active. Then, I go to the kitchen. I prepare a simple breakfast. Nothing fancy, just healthy food. While eating, I stay away from my phone. I like to enjoy a peaceful morning. After breakfast, I get ready for work. I take a shower, choose my clothes, and get dressed. I check my bag, my keys, and my phone. Then I leave for work. During work, I focus on my tasks. I try to give my best and stay positive. I take short breaks to relax my mind. In the evening, I come back home. I change my clothes and rest for some time. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I watch something relaxing. At night, I have dinner with a calm mind. Before sleeping, I think about my day. I am grateful for small moments. Finally, I go to bed early. A good sleep prepares me for a better tomorrow. This is my daily routine.
If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel.